Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley from the Perryville Branch Library. I am going to show you a cool STEM challenge that you guys can do today at your homes. This one is called STEM Challenge Towers. All you need are some plastic cups and some craft sticks, popsicle sticks, index cards, something. If you don't have any of those, it's okay. You can just use the cups. This is something that's really cool because you can use your creativity and your imagination. There's no set directions for how it's supposed to be. The only goal is really to see how high you can get your tower. And you can always try to get it all as tall as you, as tall as your dog, cat, stuffed animal, anything to kind of get yourself started with an idea. And it's really cool. And I hope you guys are gonna like it. You can do this with your siblings as pairs or by yourself. You can see who can do the tower as quickly as possible without it falling. There's lots of different ways that you can kind of do this activity, so it's really cool. So we're gonna go. So I have some cups already here, and really all you're going to do is try to create a tall tower. You can do it any way you want. You don't have to start it like this, but this is the way that my imagination wanted to do it. So it's pretty cool. So I'm just putting some popsicle sticks out to kind of get a base to see how high it can go. Over here. Oops. All right, so now I'm going to add some more cups. And once again, you can do this however you like. And if you don't have any of these other objects besides the cups, that's totally okay. All right, starting to get a little wobbly. All right, guys, so here's my tower. All right, so I hope you... All right, guys, so that's everything. I hope that you guys enjoy making your towers at home, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Bye. Thank you again so much for watching.